Hello friends, this video is about studying the past. History is the study of the past. But why study history? History is made up of events that occurred in the past. The study of the past is important to understand the present. Since history is a continuous story of one event leading to another, the present cannot be understood without understanding the past. The word history comes from a Greek word historia, which means learning or knowing by inquiry. History is generally divided into three time periods: prehistory, proto-history, and history. The prehistory period is the time when the writing had not been invented. So there are no written records of this period. Prehistory based entirely on archaeology. Archaeology is the scientific study of the human past using material remains. The remains like pots, jewelry, tools, coins, bones, etc. helps archaeologists to know about the past. The proto-history period is the time for which we have written records, but they are very few and still cannot be read. An example of this period is the Indus Valley Civilization. The time period after the invention of writing is known as history. Early writing was done on rocks, pillars, copper plates, clay tablets, palm leaves, and on the barks of birch trees. Over the years, many of these evidences have been destroyed. The ones that remain are a rich source of information. Dates in history are expressed in BC and AD. BC stands for before Christ, AD stands for two Latin words, Anno Domini, which means in the year of the Lord or after the birth of Christ. Nowadays, BCE is used instead of BC and CE instead of AD. CE stands for Common Era and BCE for Before Common Era. Geography determines the development seen in a particular area. Places with unfavorable environment are sparsely populated. On the other hand, places with favorable environment are densely populated. Geography played an important role in the history of India. The Himalaya mountains in the north act as a natural barrier between India and Central Asia. The passes in these mountains, such as Bolan, Khorram, Gomal, and Khyber Pass, have acted as routes of contact since ancient times. Soldiers, merchants, traders, travelers, scholars, and others have often crossed these passes and traveled from one place to another. The river plains of Indus, Ganga, and Narmada are very fertile regions. These river valleys were areas where people settled first. This was because the river provided sufficient water for all their needs. The land near the river was very fertile. People could grow crops easily. The river served as means of transport.